Look at this question. A block of mass 2 kg is pushed down an inclined plane of inclination 37 degree with a constant force of 20 Newton acting parallel to incline. It is found that block moves on the incline with an acceleration 10 meter per second square. If the block started from rest, find the work done by applied force in the first second, by weight of the block in the first second, and by friction force acting on the block in the first second. So what first we will make a diagram for this. Okay, so what are the different forces acting and how the work done can be calculated. So if you make the diagram, this is the incline. Okay, object is kept here, and what are the forces acting? So one is its weight, second is normal, third is since it is pushed down the incline, so F is applied like this downward, the external force is applied like this, and the friction will act upward. So friction is acting upward and the F is acting downward, the external force. Okay, so these are the forces acting, and this angle is 37 degree, theta equal to 37 degree. Okay, now we have to find the work done by these forces. First we need to find the value of these forces. Okay, so F is given 20 Newton, so that F is provided. So F is provided 20 Newton. Mg is also 2 kg means 20 Newton, and friction force we need to find. Okay, after finding forces, we need to find the displacement. So we need displacement of the block and we need the forces value. So first let us find the displacement. So displacement will be how much? Displacement will be S equal to half AT square. Why half AT square? Because the object is starting from rest. So initially there is no velocity. So half AT square we can write. So half, and how much was the acceleration? 10 meter per second square. And for how much time it is accelerated? How much time? Push down and first second. Okay, so 1 second. So we are getting 5 meters. So displacement is 5 meters. Now we will try to find forces. So we know the downward acceleration is A. Mg component downward will be how much? Mg sine 37. So Mg sine 37 in downward direction, plus external force in downward direction, Mg sine 37 downward direction, external force F downward direction, minus friction is in upward direction, that will be equal to Ma. Okay, so by using this equation we can find value of friction, because capital F and Mg, all the things are given. The capital F is given, 20 Newton is applied. Okay, and Mg is also 2 kg means what? 20 Newton. So it will be 2 kg into 10 into sine 37 is F is 20, friction, and mass is 2 into A is 10. So if we solve it, we are going to get F equal to 20 sine 37 is how much? 3 by 5, and then plus 20 and then minus 20. So this minus 20 will come on the other side. So just see it, how we are getting. Just solve it yourself and you can see. So we are getting 12 Newton. So friction force is 12 Newton in upward direction. Now we can find different work done. So first we will find work done by applied force. So applied force work done. So applied force work done will be force into displacement. And since force and displacement are along same direction, the displacement is down the incline, force is along the down the incline. So force is 20 Newton, displacement is 5. So we will get 60 Joule. Okay, positive value. Then second is by weight of the block in first second. So by weight of the block. So weight is acting downward and displacement is at some angle. Displacement is not downward. So weight is acting like this and displacement is like this. Okay. So we have to consider this angle. This will be 53 degree. This is 37, so this is 53. Okay, so this is displacement. So we can write work done by displacement as work done by gravitational force as mg s cos 53 degree. Okay, so how much is mg? Mg is 20, s is 5, cos 53. Cos 53 is how much? 4 by 5. Sorry, cos 53, 3 by 5. Cos 53 is 3 by 5. So we are going to get 5 cancelled. So we are having 60 joule again. Okay, 60 joule again. Then third one. Third is work done by friction. Work by friction. Work by friction is WF, that is how much? So friction is acting upward, displacement is downward. So they are in opposite directions. Friction and displacement are in opposite directions. So friction is up the incline, displacement is down the incline. So minus 12 into displacement down the incline, that is 5 meter. Okay, so 12 into 5 minus 60. 5 meter displacement and 12 meter. Sorry, this is 100. This is 100. Okay, 20 into 5, that is 100. This is minus 60 joule. So work done by external force, that is 20 Newton into 5. So that is 12 into 20 into 5, that is 100 joule. And work done by gravitational force, that will be 60 joule. 20 into 5 into 3 by 5. And work done by friction will be minus 60 joule. Okay, so in this way we can solve.